Hi, I'm Deepak Shukla. You're watching Defense Insight, and today is the third video of a series where we bring you information related to the cities where our selection centers are located. Dehradun, regarded as Devbhoomi, is the winter capital and the most populous city in the Indian state of Uttarakhand. The city of Dehradun mainly lies in Doon Valley. It is the administrative headquarters of Dehradun district. The district is bordered by Himalayas in the north, Rajaji range of the Shivalik hills to the south, the river Ganga to the east, and the Yamuna river to the west. The sex ratio of the city is 906 females per 1000 males. The effective literacy rate of Dehradun city is 89.32%, whereas male literacy and female literacy rates are 92.65% and 85.66% respectively. Dehradun is served by Dehradun Domestic Airport, also known as Jolly Grant Airport, which is soon to be developed as an international airport. A part of the Northern Railways, Dehradun Railway Station is the city's largest train station. Established in the year 1899 by Britishers, it is the last station on the Northern Railway line in the area. In terms of road connectivity, National Highway 7 and National Highway 307 run through the city. Now let's swiftly cover the city's history. The history of the city of Dehradun, nicknamed Doon Valley, is linked to the story of Ramayana and the Mahabharata. It is believed that after the battle between Ravan and Lord Ram and his brother Lakshman visited this site. Also, known as Drona Nagri on the name of Dronacharya, the guru to the Kauravas and the Pandavas in the epic Mahabharata, he is believed to have been born and resided in Dehradun. Evidences such as ancient temples and idols believed to be around 2000 years old have been found in the area surrounding Dehradun, which have been linked to the mythology of Ramayana and Mahabharata. Also, Dehradun itself derives its name from the historical fact that Baba Ram Rai, the eldest son of the 7th Sikh Guru Har Rai, set up his dera or camp in Doon Valley in 1676. This Dera Doon later on became Dehradun. Dehradun was invaded by Mahmud of Ghazni during his campaigns into India, followed by Timur in 1368, Rohilla chief Najib-ud-Dawla in 1757 and Ghulam Qadir in 1785. With the signing of Treaty of Sugauli, the British got Dehradun in 1816 and colonized Landur and Mussoorie in 1827. Dehradun has an interesting Afghan connection. It was the birthplace of the second to last king of Afghanistan, Muhammad Nadir Shah. Two quaint palaces, the Kabul Palace in Dehradun and Bala Hisar Palace in Mussoorie, stand testimony to this connection with Afghanistan. Ashraf Ghani, the current president of Afghanistan, has mentioned that his grandmother grew up in Dehradun. It is because of these reasons that Dehradun is also the second home ground of the Afghan cricket team. Post-independence, Dehradun and other parts of Garhwal and Kumaon were merged with United Provinces, which was later renamed the state of Uttar Pradesh. In 2000, Uttarakhand state, earlier called Uttaranchal, was created from the northwestern districts of Uttar Pradesh under the Uttar Pradesh Reorganization Act of 2000, and Dehradun was made its interim capital. Nestled in the Himalayas, Dehradun serves as a starting point or gateway to multiple treks in the region like Nag Tibba, Parashar Lake, and Har Ki Doon, among various others. Also, being a notable academic and research hub, Dehradun is home to the prestigious Indian Military Academy, Rashtriya Indian Military College, Uttarakhand Ayurveda University, Forest Research Institute, Indira Gandhi National Forest Academy, and the 1AFSB Dehradun, located in the Clement Town area. Mysore, commonly described as the City of Palaces, is the southernmost city of Karnataka and is a neighbouring city of the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the south. The city is located at the base of Chamundi Hills between two rivers, the Kaveri River that flows through the north of the city and the Kabini River, a tributary of the Kaveri that lies to the south. Mysore has a sex ratio of 999 females per 1000 males. The average literacy stands at 87.67%, with male literacy at 90.61% and female literacy at 84.75%. Mysore is served by Mandakali Domestic Airport, whose history dates back to 1940s when it was constructed by the Kingdom of Mysore. Lying in the southwestern railway zone, rail connectivity is provided to the city by the Mysore Junction railway station. Also, National Highway 766 and National Highway 275 run through the city. Mysore has traditionally been home to industries such as weaving, sandalwood carving, and bronze work. However, the growth of the information technology industry in the first decade of 21st century has resulted in the city emerging as the second largest software exporter in Karnataka next to Bangalore. Let's take a quick look at the rich history of the place. The site where Mysore Palace now stands was occupied by a village named Puragere at the beginning of the 16th century. The Mahishuru fort was constructed in 1524 by Chamaraj Vodayar III, who passed on the dominion of Puragere to his son Chamaraja Vodayar IV. Since the 16th century, the name of Mahishuru has commonly been used to denote the city. This name later evolved to what we know today as Mysore. The Mysore kingdom, governed by the Vodayar family, initially served as a vassal state of the Vijayanagar Empire. But with the decline of the empire, the Mysore kingdom gradually achieved independence and by 1637 became a sovereign state. The kingdom reached the height of its military power in the latter half of the 18th century under the de facto rulers Hyder Ali and his son Tipu Sultan. It is known that the latter demolished parts of Mysore to remove legacies of the Vodayar dynasty. However, during this time, Mysore kingdom came into conflict with the Marathas, the British and the Nizam of Golconda, leading to the 4 Anglo-Mysore Wars. After Tipu Sultan's death in the 4th Anglo-Mysore War in 1799, Mysore kingdom was turned into a princely state under the suzerainty of the British Crown, and the former Vodayar rulers were reinstated as puppet monarchs. The city remained the capital of the princely state of Mysore within the British Indian Empire until India became independent in 1947. Some of the prominent places in the city include Mysore Palace, which is now one of the most famous tourist attractions in India after the Taj Mahal, with more than 6 million annual visitors. Mysore Zoo, which was established back in 1892. The Blue Lagoon Lake, which is a lake with a mini island. Chamundeshwari Temple atop the Chamundi Hills. Saint Philomena's Church, and 2 AFSB Mysore. Located in CV Complex Siddharthnagar area of Mysore, the board is the Lone Services Selection Board of the Indian Air Force in the southern part of India. That's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, do leave us a like and subscribe to the channel. Until then, keep learning because life never stops teaching. Jai Hind.